Hello, this is LiquidOcelot and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to permanently delete your Twitter account. So first of all, what you need to do is log in your Twitter account on your Windows 10 PC and then go to this mannequin profile, click it. Go to more, go to this cog button, settings and privacy, click it. Now under settings and privacy we have tab opened already, your account, and we had an option here, deactivate your account. Click it. Now read all of this and then click deactivate. Red hyperlink, click deactivate. Once you do that, they will ask for a password. Enter your password and click deactivate. They will say your account is deactivated. Now inside 30 days your account will be completely deleted off of Twitter platform. So thanks for watching, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Take care.